Hi, gang. I talked about this piece of gear back in one of the Pathfinder pack videos, and it is this Warfighter tobacco travel humidor. And I got some questions about it, so let me take you on a quick tour of it. And let me get the camera changed around so I can put it on the workbench, and I'll show you what this thing is. All right, gang. I got questions about this beast when I mentioned it in a video not too long ago. This is a travel humidor from Warfighter Tobacco Company, and I actually put this on the outside of my pack via these D-rings, and these go through the molly on the on my pack, and then they clip through this and just suspend it there. All right, the details on this pack, or on this humidor. This is big enough for 4 6-inch by up to 56 ring gauge cigars. It's got a pouch for your cutter and your lighter and so on and so forth, and that velcros out so you can actually put it someplace else if you want to. And it's also got a compartment in here for humidipacks, and this is a Bovita 74, I think. Let me open it up and look. Or 72% humidity pack, keep my cigars from drying out. And I actually got this as a gift, so I went online and looked. The humidor pack by itself is like 40 bucks, and they offer it with lighters and with cigar cutters. Mine actually came with a cigar cutter. Like I said, they've got several different cigars that they sell that will fit in here. So if you go to Warfighter Tobacco Company and take a look at their stuff, you will be able to see all the options. And I think mine came with, I don't remember. I want to say when I got it, it had some 50 cal Maduros in there, the field grades. So I think that's what it came with. But I hope this answers your questions that you had about my travel humidor. This actually rides on my backpack when I'm going out in the woods, away from base camp, so on and so forth. So this is the Warfighter travel humidor, and that is just about it. A nice short video for you. Hopefully you will watch all this. Have a good day.